Hello viewers, welcome to this video lectures on Python, complete course in Python refresher course. So in this video we'll be covering regarding the different type of the data type, default data types, like the list, like the tuples, like the set, and also the dictionary. Okay, you know now that there are four type of default data type in Python, like the list, the tuple, tup single p not double p, tuple, make a small correction, tuple, then dictionary and set. These are the things already we discussed about the list, but we'll go in deep regarding the list, tuple, dictionary and sets, and also we'll go for some exception handling. Okay, sometimes we make a mistake, divide something by 0, so it will be there running. So how to come out of that one? So these are things we'll handle. These are the things only we'll be covering here today. Now how do we declare a list? See, a list, you can give any name to a list. Suppose I am giving the week underscore days, you can write weekdays or week underscore days or anything, or days of week, you can write any name, you give it your choice. Then all the list item, it must be in the square bracket. Okay, you see a square bracket sign, and all these items, the items in the list items will be there. So if these are string, they should be in the quotation, singular double quotations. If it is number, they will be there as it is, there is no need to put any quotation for that one, and they must be separated by comma. For example, we know the weekdays starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, right? So these are the weekdays, right? So now suppose I want to print the weekdays. How do we print it? Print weekdays. So it will show you the output Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can see it here. I think the output, it will come already. Run it here. If you run this program, it will come Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, right? So suppose I want to know the what is the, it is all zero index, do you know? So if I want the zero index, so it will come Monday. Okay, so for example I write print weekdays. So in the square braces 0, what is the value at the zero index? At 0 it is Monday, so output it is showing Monday also. Suppose I want to go from the last, then you can put it, this is -1, this is -2, this is -3. What is say? Suppose I want to put it here, the print weekdays -1, it will be Sunday. Okay, so if it is -2, it will be Saturday. Okay, or suppose it is -4 to -1, -1, -2, -3, like that also you can put it, right? And you want to put it from 0 to 4, so by default it will take 0. So 0 colon 4, just you put it there. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that it will come, right? So that all the things you can practice, that's nothing wrong. Then coming to this list, so we can, the list is mutable, that means we can change it. That is the only thing difference between list and tuple. Tuple, it is immutable. Once you write, you cannot change it, the value you cannot change it here, so it will show some error. But list we can update, we can change, we can delete, everything we can do it here. For example, I put it here. So I put weekdays, week underscore days, -1 means the Sunday. So replace it with Funday, fun. I don't know the Funday existing is there, just I put it fun, fun. So print weekdays -1, the output it will be showing fun. Okay, initially it was sun, then you got it now. So when I am going the type, if I want to find out the type of this weekday, it will show the list, class list. Okay, and when I change the weekdays -1 to fun, fun, then print weekdays hyphen weekdays -1, it is showing you fun day. Okay, that is possible in your list, but it is not possible in tuple. Okay, then suppose these are the, okay, you have taken some string. Now let us take some numbers. So numbers which is equal to, so inside the square braces you put it 1 to 0, 1 2 3 4 9 comma 0, all the things are there, you can check it here. Now print the numbers, so it will print all the things, say 1 2 0, all the things it is there. Then suppose you want the type of the numbers, it is list, because it is not the integer, not like these all are the list. Okay, here the class the type is equal to list, so this, that is also list, this is also list. Okay, so here also it is showing list, right? Then I want to find what is the length of the numbers. How, what is the length? 1 2 3 4 5 9 10, so this 10, so it is showing the length is also 10, right? So suppose I want to join two lists, so we can join it like this. List 3, you have to list 1 plus list 2. Okay, we can also append list into the list 1 also, that is also possible. How do you go for that one? See, first of all we go for list 1, define list 1, which is equal to CSC, CAD and AIML. So these are my list. Okay, so the gap is there, so it should not be there. Okay, that, right? So we are having the list here on the department under the CSC, CAD and AML is there. So list 2 it is the cyber security. Maybe I am planning. See if it is a single item the list, then at the end you must put a comma here. You see, otherwise it will take just like a string. It will not consider as a list. Okay, that is the only thing you have to remember. So list 2 I am putting CS and just putting a comma. Okay. Now I am going to append it. How do I append it? For X in list 2. So that means for X means any item in list 2, list 1 dot append X, then it will be appended to list 1. Then print list 1. When you append this one, initially it was CSE, CAD and AML. Now you added CS, and the final output it is coming here like this. You can see, yeah, it is coming CSE, CAD, AIML and CS. Got it now? So this you can append. So similarly, you print the list 1, you can get it there. Then suppose I want to insert something. I want to, so you appended, after appending you just print the list 1, that you are able to see this one. Okay, so just this gap is required. Then suppose I am going for in the list 2, yeah, just I put it here. In the list 2, you know what are there in list 2? List 2 only one element was, that is the cyber security. Suppose I want to add it information security. Then what I do? List 2 dot insert. Where you have to insert? After 0th element. What is the 0th item? It is computer, that is the cyber security. After cyber security I add information security. Okay, then print list 2. The print list 2 it is showing information security, and then it is showing the cyber security, right? All the things it is not in order, it is not any order it can appear there. Okay, right? Then print list 2 appear. Then list 2 dot remove information security. I want to remove this information security. Then how to do? In the list 2 already I appended, or I inserted information security, and that I want to remove it. That then list 2 dot remove, that you can also information security you can put it. That print list 2, when you print it, then it will no more be there. It will be the only cyber security will be there only, right? So this, like this you can also do. Then list 2 dot remove information, you can also remove like this, right? 1 minute. So then you can delete the list also, the entire list, that is the list 1. The entire list, that is the delete. Okay, you can delete the entire list. Even if what is the delete list 1? That is the 0 item. What is the first item? It was there. List 1. It was the, if you see list 1, it was CSE. Okay. So what is the 0th item? 0 index. No, it is the first one is CSE. So CSE will be deleted, right? So like this you can do. Suppose you want to clear the list 2. List 2 only one thing was there. So one blank list will be created, right? So these are the things which will be created. If you want to so run me again. So you see what is the program number? It is 18. It is already 18. I run it here. Okay. So if you run it here, you will clearly see the first case. It has shown the entire list. Then the first item was Monday and the last item was Sunday. Then the type it was list, and then you change the Monday and the print it is coming Monday. Then 1 to 9, 1 to 0, 10 is there. So this class is also list, and the number of elements here are 10. Then CSE, then you have got on appending. So just you added CSE, it is there. Then you added another information security, that output also it is coming. Okay, then you deleted that information, again the output is coming CS, right? So now in the previous case what was there, I wanted to delete the first element of list 1, that was CSE. CSE was deleted. Okay, the list 1, because it was CSE, CAD, AIML and CS, only deleted CSE, CS were remitted. Similarly, here I have given some Monday to Sunday, all the things are there. See, another thing is there. So with this the list is over. I think almost all the things we have covered here. Then list 2 dot clear. So we cleared all the item of this list 2. So if you want to print this list 2, you can print it here. So how do you print it here? So print, print. So list list 2. Okay, because list 2 I cleared all the things. Yeah, second one. Okay, so now if it is there and I control S and I run this program, you will see one empty list is created. There is no item it is there, because list 2 already created. So I am printing this thing. Then we are going for all the data type, that is the default data type, that is tuple. What is the difference here? I told you that it is not mutable, that we cannot change anything. For example, then how to define? So that I have given underscore days, I am writing weekdays. Weekdays, there I am starting with the square braces. Here with the parenthesis I am using. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, other things. Then print weekdays, same thing, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday it is giving. Okay, so print weekdays 0 0, same thing is Monday it is repeating, -1 it is Sunday it is giving. And print the type here it is showing, you see, tuple. Instead of that it was showing it is list, it's tuple. But now I want to do one thing. The type again. So now I want to change something. So control, yeah, I want to change these things. So -1 means last was Sunday. I want to change it Monday. There in the tuple. Okay. When I save it and try to run, you see it will show some error. So try to run it. Yeah, you can clearly see some error it has shown. What is that error it is showing? Tuple object does not support item assignment. You cannot assign, you cannot change anything. You get it now? So like that you can see what is the length of this tuple also you can do. You can append, you can everything is possible. How we have done there also you can do there. First element, second element, third element, you can do it here, right? So in this way I hope you now are having some clarity about this list as well as the tuple. Then we move to the next program, that is yeah, 19. So we are going for the dictionary as well as the set, right? So dictionary, how do you write the dictionary? Here mainly we create a dictionary. Just I given a name, DEPT, department. So here in this department I create a dictionary. Here how do dictionary? The key and value. Okay, key colon value, comma, key colon value, key colon value. By default key will be there in the double quotation, and the value, if it is a string, it will be in double quotation. If it is a number, there is no need to put it in the double quotation, right? If you put it in double quotation, then it will be accepted as a string also. Even in 1998 put it under this double quotation, it will take it as a string, not take as numbers, right? So then what I do, I put the department. Why it is important? Why should I go for dictionary? See, the thing is that here you can access the part of that one. For example, I put the department. Here I am putting the name, the year, the college, the university, all this I have written. So name of the department is CSE, comma, year of started it is 1998, comma, college it is VVC Engineering College, university JNTUK, right? So now I print the department. When I print the department, okay, this is the program number 19. So it is still 18. So we can go for program number 19 and try to run this program. Let us see what is the output it is coming. Yeah, now it is coming. The name is CSE, year is 1998, college is VVCC, and university JNTUK. Okay, then I wanted to print the department year. Your department means CS department. So print department year. Then department year, how I access? So print, then braces starts department, and which part of that it must be on the square brackets and double quotation, it is year. So I want to access this year. Okay, now the output it has shown 1998, right? Then I think you are following all the things. Then like that you can also work on this dictionary. You can update and everything you can do it here. Then we are going for a set. Set is a collection which is both unordered and unindexed. For example, and how to write a set? Say I write say fruits. Set of fruits are there. Apple is there, banana is there. So it is written in a curly braces. It is written in the form of curly braces. But here is not, key value pair is not there. All the items are separated by comma and they are in double quotations like this: apple, banana, orange, and grapes. Okay, print fruits. Then it is showing grapes, orange, because it is not in order. Say initially I have given apple, banana. It is coming grapes, orange, banana, apple. So any order it can come, right? So now you have seen almost all the default data types in Python. You have seen it here. Then we are moving to another one. The most important thing here. That is the exception handling. Okay, so 19 we completed successfully. Yeah, 19 we have completed, and we are moving to the exception handling. Why this exception handling it is important? Say sometimes say for example I am giving the for example I am giving it here. I want to calculate the speed. How to calculate the speed? It is in physics, you know, distance by time taken, we call it the speed, right? Distance by distance traveled by the time taken over a period of duration, it is there. But can you calculate the speed at when time is equal to 0? That is not possible, because the distance it covers, see, it is not the traveling at the lightning of the speed, so that the time will be very negligible, not like that. So the vehicle or the bike or anything is traveling, for a particular distance it takes a duration. It may be very less amount, it may be in 2 seconds it may go for 200 kilometer, that is different issue, but it takes some time, right? So time cannot be 0. For example, suppose I put time is equal to 0, then what will happen? Then it will go to infinite loop, because we cannot divide anything by 0, so there will no answer for that one, right? It will be infinite, it will answer, it will not get an answer, it will crash. Then what will happen? Then another thing is that suppose time distance by time. So time, say I am writing distance is equal to, I am putting float input, because I want to take input from this keyboard for the distance, okay? Then it will show you distance, and you put what is the distance. Say suppose I put some 34.5 something, I put it there. Then I put the time float also I put it, suppose it has taken 5.8 seconds or something like that, I put it. Then speed is equal to float distance by time, it will show you, so it is 60 km per hour or whatever things it is showing. Then print the speed, it will print you. But here exception, suppose instead of 0 instead of 1 to 0 I write 0 jd arrow. So it cannot understand jd arrow, because it is a string. jd arrow, it cannot be converted into float and other things. Then what will happen? So it is not possible, so the system will it will be unable to process that one. So in that case, if you do that one, it will show some error. What is that error? We call it the value error. So then what do? We go for this exception handling using this try and catch, try and accept, okay? So try this one, so distance is equal to this one, take input, and time is equal to this one, take input, and speed is equal to distance by time, that convert to floating point, and print it. So if any problem is that means the time, if it is equal to not written in actually 9, it is written NINE, or not written in 10, it is written TN10. So in that case what will happen? Then accept value errors, print invalid value, okay? It will show, instead of running continuously and not getting the output, so it will just show the will run this way, don't worry. Similarly, suppose I put time is equal, distance is equal to 500 km and time is equal to 0, then anything is not divisible by 0, it will be infinity. Then in that case what do it will 0 division error, okay? So that what we do, accept 0 division error, print time cannot be 0, okay? Now let us run this program. We are in program number 20. Now move to the program number 20 and let us run this program. By running this program, you can see it here, yeah, you can see here it is asking what is the distance. So initially I give my distance, it is 550.56. This is the kilometer it has traveled, okay? 500. What is the time second? Time it taken, it has taken 8.98 second, 8.9 seconds. So if I put it here, so it is showing this is this meter up by second. It is speed is equal to 61 meter per second, 61.30 meter per second it is showing, okay? Now the same thing, I want to show you the value error. How do we show the value error? So suppose the distance I say some 550.89. So this is the meter, distance where I put it, it is going, I don't know. No, you have to put it here, right? Here 550.89, this is the meter it has traveled, divided by the time I am putting 0, z or why 0, I am putting 10, TEN, instead of 10 I am putting 10, okay? Then what will happen? See, what is 10? 10 is a string. How it can, can a string divide one floating point number? It is not possible. So do it here. So it is showing invalid value. That means what is the time you have given, it doesn't accept, because that cannot be converted, right? That's why it's showing the invalid value. So that is the first accept I have given, print invalid value. Similarly, now I run this program again and I will try to divide it by 0. So okay, so same thing I am putting it here. I am putting here 550.89 and the time I am putting it to 0. Then see, 550 is not divisible by 0. So when you enter it, it is saying time cannot be 0. So this is the thing, we can go for the exception handling in Python. There are some other things also you can learn, just to access and you can learn it here. So using this try and accept, you can also go for this exception handling by Python, okay? Thank you for watching this video, and if you really like these things, please do share with your friends, and if you You can also subscribe all these videos so to get all these new and latest videos. Thank you for watching this video, and take care of your health. Goodbye. Have a good day.